Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Hisense U8N Mini-LED TV. This TV has been making waves with its impressive specs and performance, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. Starting with the design, the Hisense U8N sports a minimalist look with thin bezels and a sturdy pedestal stand. The remote is well designed and comfortable to use, though the TV itself is a bit thick if you plan to mount it. Moving on to the display, the U8N features a Mini LED Pro Plus panel that delivers outstanding brightness. With HDR, it peaks at over 3200 nits, providing vivid colors and excellent contrast. It covers a wide color gamut, including 96.77% of the UHD AP3 and 82.07% of the Rec 2020 color spaces. In terms of performance, the U8N impresses with its ability to handle both SDR and HDR content exceptionally well. Whether you're watching movies or gaming, the display shines with deep blacks and vibrant colors. However, its upscaling capabilities could be better, showing some fuzziness with lower resolution content. For gamers, the Hisense U8N performs admirably with a low input lag of 13.1 milliseconds, which is great for competitive gaming. It supports up to 4K resolution at 144 Hz on two HDMI 2.1 ports, making it suitable for next-gen consoles and high-performance gaming PCs. When it comes to sound, the built-in speakers deliver decent audio quality. They get loud without distortion and offer clear dialogue, though they lack the depth of a dedicated soundbar. So, should you consider buying the Hisense U8N Mini-LED TV? If you're looking for a TV with superb brightness and color performance at a competitive price point, the U8N is a compelling choice. It's ideal for both movie enthusiasts and gamers alike, offering excellent value for its features. That wraps up our review of the Hisense U8N Mini-LED TV. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.